Hey! Turn that fucking TV down! Bad book! Turn that fucking TV down! Ladybug! Take your brother to the park. No, you're not walking to Houston. Hey, go on that porch, sit down. Don't go across the street. Don't go under the porch. Don't go in the sewer. Bitch, don't even crawl in the tree. Go sit the fuck on the porch. Now! Hey! It's 25 Flamin' Hots in the bag. You get one, he get one, give your sister one. And give your TT a chip too. Turn that fucking TV down now. Split them chips. It's 25. It's 25 chips in the bag. Divided by 4. Stop playing with me, bitch. Ooh, they live on Facebook. Hey! No, you're not seeing my phone. Give me my fucking phone charger. Don't put it around your neck. It's not a fucking necklace. Can you see I'm shit? Can you see I'm pissing? I'm shitting, I'm pissing. I'm pissing, shitting. Wait till I get done shit. Then you get some noodle. Chicken or beef. Beef or chicken. When I get done cook, when I get done shit, you can hold the damn Caesar sauce. I'm on my fucking phone. Hey, skateboard, where your fucking dad? Bring me some more tissue. Go look in the closet, on top of the shelf, by the window, look under the bed, to the right, and get back and look at the damn tank and give me some fucking tissue. I'm gonna beat your ass. Hey, what the fuck I tell you? Did you wash your ass? Why your drawers are backward? No. You not put on your coat. You ain't finna walk to your daddy house. He stay in New York. You know what? All of y'all walk to your daddy house. Tie your shoes up. Tie your fucking shoes up. Wait till I get the bathroom. I'ma fuck you up. With your daddy looking ass. Here I come. Bitch, I heard you too. I always doing the fucking most.